Always refer to the installation manual for full details. If in doubt, please contact Fastwarm technical support. Make sure the subfloor is clear from dust and debris. Prime the subfloor using a roller. Allow to dry for around 1 to 2 hours. Mix up a full bag of ultra tile adhesive using a paddle mixer. Apply a full bed of adhesive using a square notched trowel. Lay the tile backer boards onto the adhesive in a brick bond fashion. Fastwarm tile backer boards can be trimmed to size if required. Fix the insulation boards with screws and washers, spaced roughly 300 mm apart. If installing in a wet area, it's recommended to tape the joints using a waterproofing tape. Make sure the boards are clear from dust and debris before priming. Use a roller to prime the boards and allow to dry for around 1 to 2 hours. The cable must be tested before, during, and after installation, using a digital multimeter. The spacing between the cable can be adjusted to achieve different heat outputs. Tape the loose cable in place. Test again once the installation is complete. Cables should be installed at a minimum of 50 mm spacings. Cables must never cross. Never lay cable under any walls, skirting, fitted or permanent cabinets. Remove a suitable amount of insulation to install the cold tail lead and conduit for the floor sensor. Further excavation of the floor may be required to ensure the cold tail lead and conduit are not sitting proud of the heating element. The sensor probe should be positioned at least 300 mm from the wall and should sit between any two loops of cable. Make sure the power cable at the start of the mat is no greater than 2 meters from the thermostat. When wiring the thermostat, please ensure the supplied user manual is followed correctly. This process must be carried out by a competent person. Mix up a full bag of ultra-leveling compound and pour it over the floor, to create a perfectly flat surface. Remove any air bubbles using a spiked roller. The leveling compound manufacturer's guidelines must be followed for mix ratios and drying times. Apply a full bed of tile adhesive using a square notched trowel to adhere the tiles above the underfloor heating system. The Fastwarm loose cable system is ideal for smaller bespoke installations. For further information or advice, call our team today.